Hey guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. I wanted to give you an update on how our flower pillows are doing so far. So Proven Winners sent us out 5 flower pillows just about a month ago. I got them all planted up and they've put on so much growth and they're so full of color that I was just really excited to show you. So when you get a flower pillow, they're just like a giant tea bag about this size that are full of 5 plant plugs, and each one of them is a different kind of recipe of plants, a different grouping, and you just pop it in soil, put some soil around it, and that's pretty much it. All I've done since I planted them up was fertilize them a few times, so it's been about a month. I think I fertilized them 3 times. I did pop some slow release plant food into the soil when I planted them, but I just wanted to go through each one of them and just show them to you. So the first one here is in a hanging basket. This one's called Home Again. There's Super Tunia Royal Velvet, Super Tunia Bordeaux, and Super Bell's Great Punch. I think this one is my favorite. I mean, look at how much color is in that thing, and I'm just a huge fan of purple anyway. If we move this way, we've got one called Afternoon Bliss. This one has Sensatia Blood Orange Nemesia, which is this really nice height, and I actually put this one in a hanging basket on purpose because I thought, you know what, the Nemesia will be such a nice filler up here, and then the Super Tunia Honey and Super Bell's Over Easy will eventually spill over and it will be kind of a really neat look. But they are just full of color. The Super Bells have put on quite a bit of growth, and Super Tunia, but still yet to fall over the sides of the container. I'm expecting that probably in the next few weeks. Moving down this way, this is called the North Shore. This one has Super Tunia Royal Velvet, Super Bell's Pink, and Super Bell's Yellow. Super bright, beautiful mix. Now this one had a little color on it when we got it in, and I was so excited because it was the first color I had seen all season. And then moving to my left, we have one called With Liberty, Super Tunia Really Red, Super Bell's Great Punch, and Super Tunia White. Beautiful kind of Americana looking classic recipe, and I love it in this cobalt blue pot. And then right to my left here, this one's called Summerfest, Super Tunia Royal Velvet, Goldilocks Rocks Bidens, and Super Bell's Coralina, which is just starting to just go for it. It's getting color on it, so I'm expecting that one to kind of fill in here in the next few weeks. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Just a real quick update video on how they're doing. They just have grown so much that I was excited to show you, and we will be doing more updates as the season progresses. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.